Public school leaders are getting ready for kids to head back to the classroom Wednesday. The district's school-based mental health professionals got a chance to connect with community organizers this morning, learning how to better help students and their families. About 40 local community providers set up at the gym at Fargo North High School. Their goal to help connect families with resources and reduce barriers and improve access to education.
We know that when kids have the services and have their basic needs met, they are far more likely to be able to focus on the academic learning and to achieve greater outcomes. And so when we can partner with our community, we know we can reduce those barriers to improve student outcomes.
The event's now in its second year. Visitors included Prairie St. John's, Salvation Army, Great Plains Food Bank, North Dakota Autism Center, and others.